In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AR Klee Ginseng filter on TikTok. Klee is a playable character from the Genshin Impact game who is best known for her expertise in explosives. So to use this, open up the TikTok app on your phone, tap on the search bar in the top right corner, type in AR Klee and then tap on the search button. Now you can tap any of the videos below to get an idea of how people are using this filter in their videos. Then all you want to do is go back, tap on the AR Klee filter under the effects tab as you see here, tap on use this effect, and now you can resize the Klee character by pinching and zooming, and you can also move the character about the screen. All you have to do is tap on the record button, and that is how you use the AR Klee filter on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.